This right here is probably the cleanest Miata in the world. And I say that because I've already seen Mazda's collection of Miatas that they take out to the Miata Reunion or Monterey or any of those car shows, and then the museum cars. Let me just show you how clean this is. 1997 NA8, this is a 1.8 liter. Look at that. Perfect paint, perfect paint. We got this ceramic coated and detailed by Adam at Adam's Polishes. Look at that. Dude, ridiculous. Here's something really cool. It still has all of the labels. See that right there? OEM labels on the outside. Chassis is perfectly clean. Zero rust. Look at that, exhaust is nice and polished. Perfect condition. This thing's only got 14,000 miles. And here's something really rare. We got the SF325 Bridgestones on here, and these were remade just for the, I guess, a nostalgic program that Mazda's doing with the Roadster or the MX-5 or the Miata. So this is actually the original pattern, original wheel, original grip from back in the late 80s, 90s. And then it's got like the lightest wheel possible. This is the 14.645 offset, and it's all hollowed out in here. So I think there might be another wheel that's slightly lighter, but I'm pretty sure this is one of the lightest ones you can get for the Miata. No door dings, nothing like that. We did buy a brand new hardtop. This is a brand new hardtop from Mazda. So you can still buy brand new hardtops from Mazda, but they run around like $6,000 or so. But the cool part with brand new tops from Mazda is they come with the interior pieces. Most of you guys probably don't know, but the interior pieces right here for a non-hardtop versus hardtop are different because there are cutouts for the latches. So yeah, this is a brand new one. It's got like a little mini headliner on there. And the interior in this car is absolutely perfect. And I mean, perfect. Look at that. Eyeballs are still solid. Shifter's not worn out. Look at that. AC blows cold. Everything looks perfect. Steering wheel's not beaten up. And then the best part, the seats. Usually the side bolsters are pretty beat up on these Miatas. Look at that. Nice and perfect. So yeah, this isn't really my driver's car. I bought this because I saw it and it was low mileage. We detailed the car, we detailed the exterior, but not the engine bay. So the engine bay is a little dirty, but I'll get to another day when we have time. But usually I'd clean up the engine bay, ceramic coat everything, but this is what a stock Mazda Miata looks like, 1.8. I know, it's a little dirty, but I'll get to it one day. And this is an aluminum hood. I'm not sure if you guys knew that. So you never press it down. Just drop it from, I don't know, a foot, and then you're good. Here's a paint condition on the hood. Look at that, dude. Absolutely perfect. Front bumper. Look at that. Even the AC's still got the labels. Not sure if it's gonna... Oh, there it is. Yeah, autofocus. AC's got the labels. To have labels on any of these 30-year-old plus cars is pretty hard because they usually just fall off. But yeah, look at that. Perfect lines. If you guys are looking for a Miata like this, it's going to cost you a lot of money. This one's not for sale, but if someone's got a crazy offer, I probably would sell it. But yeah, it's kind of one of those things that are irreplaceable. So unless it's like a crazy offer, I am not letting this thing go. I am going to color match the top. So I'm going to paint this and then pop it back on, and it should look pretty sick. And it does have the defroster options and all the wiring and all that stuff. When you get a hardtop for your Miata, you still have to buy the relays, the wiring, the side panels, and the latches, by the way. So if you buy the kit from Mazda, the $6,000 kit, it comes with everything. So yeah, it's not just a hardtop. It's a whole complete kit. On top of that, check this out. The back right here, we got the OEM cover for the soft top. So when you have the soft top down, you cover this, or you pop this on, and then it covers the soft top so it doesn't look like poop. And then this cover right here, this comforter is just covering all the spare parts that I have in here. So I got the OEM covers. So if I open this up real quick, I got the OEM covers for the side panels. These are all brand new. See that? So this is the hardtop side covers inside the interior. And I have the comforter on here, so it's nice and protected. And then the OEM spare tire. Look at that. Brand spanking new, nice and clean, no damages. Look at that. Interior panels are perfect. So is the back right here. Pretty clean example, man.